Welcome to this walkthrough of 6 distinct 30 by 50 foot 2 BHK house plans brought to you by HM Architecture. Each design offers a unique approach to layout, prioritizing different needs such as privacy, open concept living, or workspace. Let's dive into the details of each plan. Plan 1. Starting with Plan 1, you enter through a front porch on the right into a small foyer. The spacious living hall is immediately to your left, offering plenty of seating space. Moving centrally, you find the dining area adjacent to an enclosed L shaped kitchen on the right. A central hallway leads to the rear sleeping quarters. The master bedroom is on the left, and bedroom 2 is on the right. Notably, both bedrooms feature private attached bathrooms. A dedicated laundry room is tucked away in the back right corner, keeping utilities separate from the living spaces. The car parking is an open paved area at the front left. Plan 2. Plan 2 shifts the layout by placing a dedicated garage on the front right. You enter via a foyer into a large living hall on the left side. The heart of this home is the open concept dining and kitchen area, which features a modern center island for extra prep space. The master bedroom is located at the back left with its own attached bathroom. Bedroom 2 is situated on the back right. A second bathroom serves the common areas and the second bedroom, while a laundry niche is conveniently placed near the garage entrance for easy mudroom access. Plan 3. In Plan 3, the design emphasizes luxury and flow. With car parking on the right, you also get a small green garden patch on the front left. Inside, the living hall is on the left, leading to a central dining area. The highlight here is the modular kitchen on the right, boasting a large U-shaped layout with an island. Behind the kitchen lies a distinct laundry utility area. The rear of the home houses two symmetric bedrooms, both with attached bathrooms, separated by a central passage to ensure maximum privacy between the rooms. Plan 4. Plan 4 flips the garage to the front left and adds a wide veranda on the right. Upon entering the foyer, the layout opens up to the right side, where the living hall flows directly into the dining space. The kitchen is centrally located on the right wall with an island. Uniquely, this plan features a very large laundry room on the middle left. The two bedrooms are pushed to the very back of the house, separated by closet space. Two bathrooms are located just outside the bedrooms, serving as private yet accessible facilities for both residents and guests. Plan 5. Plan 5 offers a completely different zoning approach. With parking on the right, you enter a central foyer. The living hall is on the left, but unlike other plans, the kitchen is pushed to the far back left corner, featuring a large island and an adjacent laundry area. This opens up the center for a spacious dining zone. The bedrooms are aligned along the right wall. Bedroom 1 is in the middle, and bedroom 2 is at the rear with an attached bath. A common bathroom is centrally located between the two rooms for easy access. Plan 6. Finally, Plan 6 is designed for wider parking needs, accommodating up to two cars on the right. The foyer is on the left, opening into a wide integrated living and dining hall. The kitchen is positioned on the middle right wall with an island. The rear section is dedicated to the bedrooms. A master suite on the left featuring a walk in closet and attached bath, and a second bedroom on the right. A standout feature of this plan is that both bedrooms include dedicated desk spaces, making this layout perfect for working from home. That concludes our walkthrough of these six versatile 30x50 floor plans. Whether you prioritize a large kitchen, a home office, or ensuite bathrooms, one of these layouts is sure to fit your lifestyle needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to HM Architecture for more home design ideas and inspiration.